Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Lexus ES. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 57,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.